So what made Vanquish so special? Here are a few things that I personally love about Vanquish. So not just that roar you've just heard from the 6-litre V12 naturally aspirated engine, but also leading onto the full skin of the vehicle. So Vanquish was one of the first, or was the first car in the Aston lineup to have a full carbon fibre bodywork, and hence the shape and design and the lines and the aggressive proportions that you get with Vanquish. So two of those elements are at the rear of the vehicle. Firstly, you have this integrated spoiler in the deck lid of the car. That was one piece of carbon fibre. Some would probably look at that as slightly over-engineered, probably overdone, but I think it has made Vanquish look timeless as a used vehicle. But also, the boot capacity of Vanquish was also considerably more than anything else that you would get in the range at that particular time, and that all came from a carbon fibre boot floor on the rear end of Vanquish. And also another little nod back to something that was pretty special in the Aston lineup back then. We have these 177 inspired rear lights, which if you look inside the lens, you can see the fingers of the lights represent the wings on the badge. Because of the extensive use of carbon fibre on the body panelling of Vanquish, one thing that you will notice with the design of Vanquish is the side strake comes into the door and all the way down almost to the door handle. That is because carbon fibre gives you strength, but also design and flexibility around design. And speaking of design, Vanquish was the first car in the product lineup at that time where you could almost change and personalise everything on the vehicle. And as you can see here, we have this timeless Vanquish that is available with ourselves here at HWM. So let's give you a brief overview of the specification of this car. So this car is finished in Mariana Blue. We have a black front grille. We also have the dark meshes on the bonnet, and we also have, because this car is a 16 model year, but it's a 2017 on a 17 plate, we also have the later design wheel in the gloss black and diamond turn finish with a red brake caliper behind. So this car has travelled 7,770 miles from new. Moving you down the side of the vehicle, so we have the chrome side strake and also the chrome window surround, and this is a really unique Vanquish when you come and look at the colourway of this car. It's also finishing off that super unusual exterior. We also then have the chrome tail tips on the rear of the vehicle and a body coloured rear chin spoiler. So let's jump in the driver's side and take a look at the inside of this vehicle where this car does come alive. So let's take a look around this stunning interior on this Vanquish. And this is a really, really unique interior on a car. So we have a full dark night interior, or your seating environment, but it's in a mix of Alcantara and leather. So again, quite unique on Vanquish, particularly not only with the exterior colour of Mariana Blue, but to have a blue interior in two material finishes. And this car's also got spicy red stitching, and that matches the brake calipers on the exterior of the vehicle. We also have a black carpet and an ivory roof lining in this vehicle. We also have the Bang & Olufsen stereo system in this vehicle, a black piano waterfall in the centre here with your dark chrome dials and jewellery package on the inside. A 177 steering wheel, as you can see here, finished in matched to leather, and this is one of the reasons why I like getting hold of these unique Vanquishes, because we do see a lot of black, a lot of silvers, a lot of dark interiors. If you want something that looks super cool and super special and very unique, this car would be ideal for you. So as previously mentioned, this is a 2017 on a 17 registration car. This is a 16 model year vehicle, and as such this does have the AMI2 and not the AMI3 infotainment. Now, although it was as good as what we'd ever seen when Vanquish was launched, you can update that if you wanted the CarPlay and the Android at probably a fairly small expense. However, I do think the infotainment on these is very suitable for the nature of the vehicle, when really it is all about that sound. So that is a short overview of Vanquish, and as we are aware, Vanquish is celebrating 25 years this year, and also that will give you a brief overview of this vehicle that is available with ourselves here to purchase.